at Copper State 2020, getting ready to go fly this Lightning Classic. It looks like an LS1, but this one's experimental amateur built. And this pretty airplane that you're seeing here has just 50 hours on it. So this is a brand new airplane that we're getting ready to go fly here for a video pilot report. Come on along. It has been a few years since I flew the Lightning with its designer Nick Otterback. This one in particular, though, is not the LS1. This is an experimental amateur built, 1,650-pound gross weight. It can scoot along, as you'll see, quite a bit faster than the LSA speed limit. And the pilot, this man right here, Marc Holcomb, can do all his own maintenance, of course, as with any amateur-built aircraft. We did some shooting from the Tucano there, but the main focus was the Lightning here and how it operated with this new Gen 4 Jabiru engine in it. Smoother and better than ever, all aluminum now, so it loses some of the maintenance issues it had in the past. Quite fuel efficient, very interesting to see this aircraft and all it was able to do here. Notice all the speeds there are in miles an hour, but this airplane scoots right along. He's seen as much as 160 with max RPM, or 140 is common with economy cruising. Here's where he built the airplane, Greg Hobbs's and Crystal Hobbs's beautiful big hangar. They put a lot of love and soul into this thing. No wonder they've attracted so many viewers and builders. Let's go have a closer look, and you'll get another look at their beautiful lounge as well. You could worry about that big guy getting you, but well, he's just mounted on a wall. Here is the beautiful lounge that Crystal and Greg Hobbs have created for their pilots and builders that have come to this facility, Geronimo Aircraft, to assemble their aircraft. Look at some of this beautiful setup here, though. Isn't this nice? All done by Greg and his wife, Crystal, every bit of this, including the building of the hangar, she told me. So all these pilots that come here get to hang out in this beautiful space. Nice big comfortable chairs here, everything you could want. And Crystal and Greg to serve you as well. That's got to be a good thing. No wonder so many people like Marc Holcomb came to build his airplane here, the Lightning. 55 aircraft have been built here. Good job, Crystal and Greg Hobbs.